What is it?
You have to achieve something in the future.
No. Yeah? No. Yeah, shall I? Shall I? Yeah, we are coming to school to update, that's it. To update because as of now you told me different answers to study, to improve, to gain knowledge, to innovate. These are all not the correct answers because you know everything already. You are studying since years.
Way getting is you know the exact type of model that is there for the car. When it is first the car, this is the best canvas. Canvas, the word canvas is nothing but a drawing or a painting and a beautiful painting. We use canvas. In the same way, we are considering problem identification canvas. And then breakdown problem breakdown we will get final solution. Our problem a problem use topic
to do all such things, but still we were using whatever we had to exhibit the spirit of making. I hope you will all enjoy today and keep the spirit of tinkering alive and take our nation to the next milestone from 10,000 ATLs to 100,000 ATLs. All the very best. Happy Children's Day.
Today we are learning about how to present the DC on the Yeah. So while we are building this project, okay, we go forward. It can be a fun and challenging project. It can be a great way to learn about the DC works. It can be a very useful and relevant tool how we can handle. It can be a fun and unique conversation piece. And what is the principle of this project? What is the taking and what is this project? The project of what is going to handle that? It can use a link and power. So we have
That is not correct. It is correct.
Alright, raise your hand. If we ask you to